boy to blood clean. Yo, another laughing thing. Yo, the man them said they might investigate Alkaline. But clean. Yeah, hear me, Alkaline? The only thing make the man them investigate the other singer. What name? Badness name. Hey, this thing, you know. This tune, yeah. Yeah, hear me? You see another review, yeah? Me not go overpressure the people them head. You understand? Me not go to overpressure the people them head. The entertainer good, you see that? Me know say the entertainer go good, you understand? You see in the last video me I tell you in my Alkaline versus many video what me did say. Alkaline versus many. And what did I also say? He's a strong warrior. He's a strong-minded youth. You might be young, but you have sense. You understand? And I hope he's not bad-minded are playing with the man, you know. I hope it's a genuine, serious issue. You understand? So them take it away. You understand what I say? But me feel say, boy, I didn't have nothing for trouble, man, boy. And that tune, yeah. That tune is bad. And that's why it named Badness. It's bad. You understand what I say? So right now, when people talk all this and that, but I review Badness it name. They like this a tune. Right now, when case a drop. You understand? And when them investigate, them investigate. Out there, we still a run vibes. Badness it name. Remember me tell you. Because the lyrics, you know, straight up lyrics. So we don't want them mix up Alkaline with Erland, yeah? Yeah, because Erland write Alkaline music. So, everybody out there, they don't know, keep an head up, you see me? You know, so we are suffer from gun crime, you know. But you can't blame the man them who talk about gun and not blame the man them who do and sell them. You understand what I say? Hopefully, Alkaline everything is nice and everything, you know what I mean? Just a quick update, you see me? Because you don't know we love Ghetto Youth. Out.